In May, do as you please. There is a sign for all our plantings, for the most fragile plants, the most fragile vegetables. When you hear the mowers buzzing loudly, or when the hawthorn is in full bloom, at that moment you can plant all the frost-sensitive plants. The vegetables that are most afraid of frost are the fruit vegetables. So we have the cucurbitaceae, notably melons, cucumbers, the squashes, gherkins, pumpkins, red curry squashes, watermelons, all these plants, they absolutely must not freeze anymore. So they are often found in this form in trays, in small pots. There is another technique if you want to speed things up a bit and are still worried about some cold spells. Don't forget the ice saints. So as long as May 15th hasn't arrived yet, we will repot them into slightly larger pots. If you have a well-sheltered, frost-free place that is well exposed to the sun, you can always repot. All these plants that are sensitive to the cold will develop, and when they are well developed by the end of May, you can permanently transplant them into the ground. Another plant to be cautious of regarding the last small morning frosts is basil, whether small leaf or large leaf. It's better to get them in pots and plant them in a planter well exposed to the sun. On the other hand, there is a whole range of plants that are absolutely not afraid of the cold. For example, summer leeks or autumn leeks. Everything related to lettuces. We have been transplanting them practically since February. In May, we continue to transplant lettuces, but summer lettuces, head lettuces. The wide range of cabbages, whether it's cauliflower, broccoli, green cabbages, Savoy cabbages, all cabbages are transplanted now, including Brussels sprouts. It is time in May to transplant these golden stalk celery as well as celeriac. They can even be transplanted multiple times to get a larger root. And then, if you haven't had the time to do it, know that it's not too late to plant these late potatoes. You will have them a little bit later, but they will still be delicious. In May, do as you please. However, a light frost, matilane, is not to be ruled out. It is always good to have some shelters, especially to protect everything that is vegetables, fruits,